Hey everyone, Pieflinger here. So it just occurred to me that lava lamps cause doors to close, and doors closing cause ceiling fans to spin. And when a ceiling fan spins, it causes a car to drive on its own. Plus, magazines or just word search books, you know. And on top of that, furthermore, ice cream. It tastes delicious. Crushed up glass under shoes, stuff like that, I guess. Um, what else? Oh yeah. Did you know that outer space is an awesome restaurant, especially on Mount Olympus? Mount Olympus, man, that an apartment in New Hampshire. Yeah, I'll see you guys later. Pieflinger out. Peace.